Hi, so today we're going to talk about powers of 10, and powers is something that we've been doing for a long time at this point. Powers just means exponents, all right? So you could think of this as being exponents of 10, where 10 is going to be our base in all of these examples. So here, if it was 10 to the first power, whenever you raise something to the first power, you just get that base back again. So 10 to the first power would be 10. So our first column here is exponential notation. I just abbreviated it here. We have a notation with exponents. That's why we call it exponential notation. In the middle column here, we have the operations that we're doing. So positive exponents are just repeated multiplication. So here, for instance, 10 to the fourth, we're multiplying 10 times itself 4 times. 10 to the third, 10 times itself 3 times, and so on and so forth. Then our last column, our third column over here, is going to be called evaluated, the evaluated form. Sometimes we call evaluated forms standard numbers because it's the numbers that we sort of are used to seeing. So for instance, 10 to the second expands to be 10 times 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So its evaluated form, or its standard form, its standard number form, is 100. And same thing with 10 to the third would be evaluated to basically be a standard number of 1,000, and 10 to the fourth would be a standard number of 10,000. Do you notice something that if you wanted to do this quickly with just skipping this expanded form column and you just wanted to go from 10 to the fourth to 10,000, do you notice that what you just have to do to make it quick is put a 1 and then whatever the value of the exponent is, just write that many zeros. And this only is going to be true for when you have a base of 10. So here you're going to write 1 and then you're going to write however many zeros this is telling us to. So that's why 10 to the fourth is the same thing as 1 with 4 zeros. So that's a quick way to convert from exponential notation to its standard form.